Dang it, all dead.
Stop the spread. COVID-19 can be deadly. The time to act is now. Everyone but essential workers need to stay home. Only go out if absolutely necessary to pick up groceries, prescriptions, or go to a medical appointment. Ignoring self-isolation or physical distancing advice can have devastating effects and endanger lives. Protect yourself and others. Stay home. Learn more at https://covid19.ontario.ca.
Why are you bullying me?
Because you're soft! I gotta agree with him. Wait, how can you all do that?
We all agreed to vote for you.
How are you gonna rest the
We both have no arms.
Ow, my leg!